Well, you are on my third video on my playlist on how to become a virtual assistant, a freelancer, or someone who wants to work online. So ngayon, i-discuss ko naman kung paano gumawa ng resume in Canva as easy as 1, 2, 3. Kasi nasasanay na tayo na yung sinisend natin na resume, yung typical na black and white lang, na ginagamit natin sa mga usual job opportunities na ina-applyan natin. Well, ngayon, since marami ng ka-competition online at marami na naghahanap ng mga trabaho as a freelancer or virtual assistant, dapat mag-stand out din yung resume na isi-send mo kay client. So, yung resume in Canva is napakadali lang gawin kasi may mga templates naman. Or if you want to create a blank document para sa resume mo, pwede naman din. So, isi-share ko sa'yo to. So, watch this.
So, basically, alam naman natin kung ano yung resume. It's a formal document that provides an overview of your professional qualifications. It also includes your relevant work experiences, the skills that you have, your educational background, and of course, some notable accomplishments. Sometimes, hindi naman tinitingnan ni client yung ano yung nasa resume mo. Pero most of them, if you have a strong resume, of course, it will help you to get that client. So what are the parts of a good resume? Well, it needs to have an introduction, your contact details, your educational background. It's very important that you discuss your work history and your relevant skills. Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung usual resume natin is black and white lang, pinapaprint lang natin. Pero ngayon, since high-tech na tayo, we can use Canva, we can create resume na maganda. So let me share with you something. If your resume is like this, black and white lang, it should be better na gawin mong ganito. Mas maganda ang resume, mas napapansin ni client. So how to create resume using Canva? I will give you a quick tutorial on how to create your resume using Canva. It's very easy. May mga templates na pwede mong gamitin. So log into Canva. It's not necessarily na kailangan premium yung account mo. Just go to search and then put their resume. From there, makikita mo na may mga samples ng resume. You choose a template. Upon choosing a template, make sure na bagay siya sa personality mo or sa trabaho na a-applyan mo. So for example, gusto mo simple lang, medyo aesthetic, you can choose this, for example. Nandiyan na yung mga important parts ng resume. All you have to do is, of course, to change all the details, including the name first, para hindi mo makalimutan, and then change the other details, the introduction, yung about me, yung work experiences mo. You can also upload your photo there. You can make it circle, square, whatever you do. If you don't like the font, you can change the type, the style, and the colors. You can make it bold, italicized, whatever you want. Just make sure na yung details na nilagay mo dyan, alam mo yan. There are also elements in Canva that you can add, so you can customize it on whatever you want. You can also change the color as well. Yung colors mo dapat according sa branding mo. If you like colors about something pink or something blue, depende na yan sa'yo. If you don't like the background, you can also add a photo or maybe change its color according to your branding. You can choose from the color palettes here. And then, if you're ready na, kompleto na, na-change mo na lahat ng details, upon saving, you have the option to save it on a different file type. You can save it as JPEG, PNG, or maybe PDF. You can send it as a link, or maybe you can have it as a website. So, depende na yun sa'yo, paano mo isi-send kay client yung resume mo. Usually, ako PDF lang siya, sinisave ko sa Drive, binibigay ko yung link. So, here's another example. So, choose a template. And then, pag nakapili ka na, add a photo from the gallery. So, pwede ka mag-add dyan. Or add a photo from your uploads. You can also add creative text. Depende sa font na gusto mo. May options ka dyan. Yung sa elements na sa left side, pwede kang pumili. Pwede mo lagyan ng mga kahit anong elements na gusto mo. Everything is possible in Canva. If you want to add a clickable link, for example, yung website mo, pwede mo siyang gawin. Just right-click and then i-click mo yung pwede ka mag-enter ng link or search. And then from there, you can have a clickable link on your resume. Well, Canva is the most important tool for me. So if you're planning to become a freelance virtual assistant, dapat alam mo yung basics ng Canva because Canva is life. Like you can do anything in Canva. Well, in my next video, I will teach you on how to create a winning client proposal.
If nagustuhan niyo yung mga videos na to at may mga tanong pa kayo, pwede kayong mag-comment down below. And pwede din yung notification bell para always updated ka. If you have some questions for me, of course, you can reach out sa aking mga social media accounts. It's Hey Miss Shy on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. And of course, sa TikTok ko, may mga series of videos din ako na pwede mong matutunan. Mga websites na pwede mong pag-applyan, mga tips and trips, na mga short form videos lang na sure ako na pwede mong matutunan lahat. So again, it's me, Shy, not just your ordinary business ally. Follow me for more. Bye!